boy with the samad. Okay. One day, there was a boy in the story.
Yeah.
He was samad by the fire.
Yeah.
Like this, oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was walking without,
The people.
yes, no slippers. And then he got,
Yeah.
and then he get like this, yay.
Yeah.
And then he told the mama and dada, Mama, dada, I have yay.
Yeah.
It's okay. Tomorrow we go to the hospital
Yeah.
and we go to see the doctor.
Yeah.
Okay? Then they go with the baby in the hospital.
Yeah.
And then the doctor said, you will use a cream like this.
Yeah.
The cream like this. So the yayay will go away and you can now play in the ball pit.
Yeah.
So the boy said, no, I will not. And the mama and dada, oh no. But the doctor said, you will use this so your yaya go away.
Yeah.
Okay. Then the mama and dada and the baby went back to the house.
Yeah.
And the mama said, you put now your yaya with the cream.
Yeah.
And then the boy took the cream and threw in the garbage.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah. I don't in the doggy.
And then the mama and dada, why did you throw the medicine in the garbage?
Yeah.
And then because the boy said, I don't want the cream. And then in the evening, the boy like this. The boy cannot sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cannot.
And then he said, Mama, my yaya is very ouchy. It's very ouchy.
Yeah.
And then they go back to the doctor in the morning.
Yeah.
The doctor said, did you put the ointment, the cream? The boy said, no. And the doctor said, oh no! Because you did not put the ointment, the yayay became big.
Excuse me, da. Open na rabi ito.
The yayay became big.
Yeah.
And then the yayay became so big that the doctor said you need to stay in the hospital so that they will take care of the yayay.
Yeah.
And now the boy knows that he needs to put the cream in the yayay so that the yayay will go away.
Yeah.
This is the cream.
Yeah.
What will you do with
No,
the
no,
cream?
no. Do not
What will you
squish.
do with the cream?
I'm
And
not put it in my throat.
you put it in your yayay.
No, I want to hold.
And
I'm not get.
why?
Because I want to hold.
You are like in the story. The yaya did not go away. Okay, now, what is the story about Kael?
About the boy will not get your tail.
And what happened to the boy?
It be bad.
And the yaya became?
Bigger.
Yes. So you want your yaya bigger?
Yeah.
What? You want your yaya gone?
Yeah.
So we'll put the cream? Okay. Okay, we'll put the cream. So you will become a big boy, ha?
Yeah.
Once mama and dada put the cream, do not touch.
Yeah, I want to not.
Do not touch. Only mama, dada, and nanay touch the yayay, ha?
Yeah.
If someone says, can I touch? No. Only mama,
And
dada, and...
Nana.
Yes, okay. So I put now, ha?
Yeah.
This is not hurt man. This is,
Okay.
it's just like normal man, okay? You now see?
Yeah.
Are you afraid?
No.
No? You're a big boy, okay?
Yeah.
A big boy. Yes. Wow, nothing?
Yeah, nothing.
Yes, it's nothing because the cream is good. The
Yeah.
cream is good for your yayay.
Yeah. Enough, Dada.
Why?
Because no, yeah, not
No,
enough.
it's still yayay pa. The yayay is very big. We put everything, ha?
No, I want to wait for the yayay.
Why you wait for the yayay?
Because yayay Muna.
No, it's very big yayay, oh. And sorry, the boy did not put the cream. The yayay did not go away. So he put the cream.
Okay.
And then you do not touch, ha?
Yeah, I will do
Do
that.
not walk for now, ha? If you want water, Dada will get the water. And you do not move. Do not move, ha? Because the cream will clean the cream will clean the yayay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, it's cleaning. Oh, wow, it's working. See that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
That, oh, that. And there is more yayay.
No.
No more.
Yeah, no.
Other
more.
foot. No?
Yeah, no, yeah.
Okay. Mama, we have put the yayay. Takbo ba niya? Ang takbo ba niya? And now, you don't walk. You just tell Mama about the story, ha? Do not move. Do not move, ha? Oh, you see that?
Yeah.
If you move, oh,
It's a thunder.
it's a thunder. Yes, it's a thunder. You know it's a thunder.
You know it's a thunder.
It's a thunder. So we put it like